What's going on, everyone? Today we are wiring up a GFCI, or ground fault circuit interrupter. Looks like a regular receptacle to me. What's the difference? Well, it's a little fatter. Nope, there's a huge difference. As you can see on the back, we have line and we have load. What the hell is that? Well, line is the incoming power. Think of line as the incoming power. Think of load as the outgoing. So from our breaker panel to this GFCI would be our line side. If you wanted anything connected, another GFCI receptacle, you would come from outside of this GFCI on the load side and continue on. Incoming from the breaker panel must go to the line side or it won't work. You'll hook this up backwards. It won't work. You'll call an electrician. He's going to charge you $200 and spend 5 minutes of his time. And there you are. Let's get started. Always start with the ground, like I've always said, on the green screw. Just like this. All right, we see it again, line, load. So we're going straight to the line with our neutral. These have little tabs. You just slide it under there and tighten her down, boy. Nice and tight. As soon as you tighten a wire, always tug on it. We're not saying swing from it or jerk it. We're saying tug on it, make sure it's tight so we don't have fires. Whoops. All right. There's our bronze screw, just like a regular receptacle. Bronze goes to black, white goes to silver, and there you have it. Line side coming from the panel, load side continuing on with other receptacles or whatever it may be. What's good to know about these as well is if we come straight from the breaker panel to this GFCI, because you may have a garage that needs GFCIs or a sink or a kitchen that has GFCIs, you only need one GFCI. If you come out of the load side of this GFCI, everything in front of that is GFCI protected. So keep that in mind, and you're not going around buying 5, 6 GFCIs because they're expensive. This is $1, this is probably $30. So yeah, but what is a GFCI? We know how to hook them up, but what does it do? What is the point of it? What this thing does is it detects a difference, an imbalance in the incoming current and the outgoing current. If the incoming current is different than the outgoing current, it's going to trip. It's going to notice and sense that and trip. And then we're talking 5 milliamps, 5/1000ths of an amp. That's how sensitive this thing is. So there you have it. Very simple. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, please. Subscribe to the channel. Tons of more videos coming at you.